Hey everyone, today we're going to go ahead and try a little experiment, and we're going to go ahead and try to make colorful rain coming from a cloud. So all you need is a jar of water, you'll need some vegetable oil, and we're going to add some food coloring into this vegetable oil. I already have a few left over from before, so I'm just going to add a couple more drops here. And we'll go ahead and stir all this up in a bit. Adding some yellow here. Okay, and we'll stir it all up. We'll give it a good mix. Now what we're doing is we're trying to create all these little raindrops here. And once we're done stirring it all up, we're going to go ahead and pour this into our water. So I'm going to go ahead and bring our water back in place. We're going to pour it into our water. And now the oil that floated back up to the top is going to be like our cloud. And the food coloring will eventually become our raindrops. So we could see the raindrops beginning to flow down. You can see the yellow coming down. We're eventually going to see some of the red and some of the green. So here's the rain's starting to flow down. And there's our colorful rain. And that's how you make colorful rain in a jar. Again, the cloud is the oil, and the food coloring will be our raindrops. All right, I hope you liked the experiment. Good luck, enjoy, and have fun.